Now our next recipe is these lovely homemade chicken burgers, and I've used whole wheat paos. They're easily available now. Otherwise you can use regular pao, or you can also use regular burger buns. Now the recipe is very simple and it gets ready also very quickly. So let's begin and see what we need for this recipe. So what I've done is I've taken a large pot and I've added 2 tablespoons of oil. Then I've added about 450 grams of mince. Now I'm using chicken mince. And to that I've added about 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, sauteed it well. Then I've added 1 tablespoon of pepper powder. Then I've added I fried it well. And then I've added some turmeric powder, about 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi powder. And then we're going to add a little bit of salt to taste. And last but not the least, we're going to add the juice of half a lemon. And once we've mixed everything together, we're just going to cover this and we're going to cook it for about 5 to 10 minutes till the chicken is nice and cooked. Now, after the chicken is cooked and it has come to room temperature, we're just going to drain out all the excess water. Now, you can use that water as a stock for any other recipe. Now, once our chicken is nice and cooled down to room temperature, we're going to transfer it to a large bowl. To this, I'm going to add about 3 or 4 slices of bread. I'm using brown bread slices, and I'm going to just mash up everything well. Now in a pan, I'm going to put some oil, and then I'm going to saute 1 medium onion and 1 light green chili till it is nice and fried. Now once our onion and chilies are well fried, we're going to add 1 teaspoon each of cumin powder as well as coriander powder, and we're going to mix that well. Then I'm going to be adding half a teaspoon each of garam masala and pepper powder. Now to this keema or this mince, I'm going to add a little bit of chopped coriander and this sauteed onions. Once everything comes to room temperature, I'm going to add some salt and I'm going to mix up everything well. And as a binding agent, I'm going to add 1 egg. And then I'm going to mix everything very well together. Now I'm going to take some breadcrumbs in a plate. And I'm going to just roll this mixture in the breadcrumbs and form them into a patty. And again roll them and then keep these patties aside. So you can make these patties and then you can put them in an airtight container and keep them in your refrigerator. They last for about 2 or 3 days. And you can fry them whenever required. Now, if you don't want to go with the burgers, what you can do is you can also just put them in a chapati or puri, just sprinkle some lemon juice on top and sprinkle some chaat masala or Frankie masala and just a little bit of onion and you have a Frankie also ready. So this is a very versatile dish. So this is in slow-mo where I'm showing you how to form the patty. So once that is done, we're just going to heat some oil in a pan and we're going to shallow fry these till they're nice and golden brown on both sides. And then once the patty is ready, I'm going to show you how to assemble this burger. It's very, very simple and very, very easy. I've prepared a small mix of mayo, tomato ketchup and some Tabasco sauce. I've browned up the buns or roasted them on the pan. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a layer of this mix. Then I'm going to put some lettuce leaves. Then I'm going to put one of these chicken cutlets and an onion ring and then just put the top of the bun and your burgers are all ready to go.